Help me up. Seven, eight.
Sometimes I wanna run and never look back, but life is hard and I'm done believing. But when I'm down, you always come around. You're always there for me in the end. And I know you gonna stand beside me. You're up there looking out for me. When I need you, all I have to do is ask you. Be right there to guide me, giving me everything I need. When I need you, all I have to do is pray. So help me up, please. I'm trying not to stray from everything that I believe. If only you can help me up, please. I know that when I'm down, you'll be my strength when I'm in need. I know that you can
Both three. Restart.
Sometimes I wanna run and never look back. When life is hard and I'm not believing. But when I'm down, you always come around. You're always there for me in the end. I know you gonna stand beside me. You're right there looking out for me. When I need you, all I have to do is asking you. Be right there to guide me, giving me everything I need. When I need you, all I have to do is pray. So help me up, please. I'm trying not to stray from everything that I believe. If only you can help me up, please. I know that when I'm down, you'll be my strength when I'm in need. I know that you can do
You wanna give up, don't, cause I will help you up to done the deal like still. Keep the faith and be real. You got a life ahead, and that's no big deal. Find a good gal and make her feel right. Let the moon shine and enjoy the night. Can you feel vibes coming from the mighty summer lyrical healing straight for your mind?
Keep me flying, help me, Lord. I'm trying. Just keep me flying, so free. Keep me flying, help me, Lord. I'm trying. Just keep me flying up and only. So help me up, please. I'm trying not to stray from everything that I believe. If only you can help me up, please. I know that when I'm down, you'll be my strength when I'm in need. I know that you can. So help me up, please. I'm trying not to stray from everything that I believe. If only you can help me up, please. I know that when I'm down, you'll be my strength when I'm in need. I know that you can.
Thank you. Tutorial. Help me up. 48 counts. Okay. What we're gonna do, you make side on your right, back sweep, behind side cross. Now get the mambo step back with a quarter turn over your left shoulder. Mambo, quarter, rock, recover. Yes, then we have two syncopated rocks. Side, rock together. Side, rock, step back. And push your hips back like bump, bump, bump. Like shake, 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 shake. And your weight is on your left. Then do two step forward with the points. First with left, then with right. There we go. Right, point, left, left, point, right. Now you make so a turn with crosses, like cross, 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 cross. And you're facing on 3 o'clock. Now as you way to your right, now you get steps forward like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with shakes, like shake, shake, pop, pop, touch, side, touch, quarter, touch. And you're facing is 12 o'clock. Yes, now you get out, out, in, out, out, in, out, out, in. Now with your hands, out, out, in, like this, 7, 8, out, out, in, out, out, in. Okay. Next section, like rock, syncopated rocks, rock, recover and step side with your quarter turn over your right shoulder, side, rock, recover, and walking around like quarter, quarter, and a shuffle quarter turn. Walk, walk, shuffle quarter turn. And you have a facing 6 o'clock. And we're starting over again. This walk, 7, 8, side, back, behind, sweep, behind, side, cross. Then you mumble quarter, back, rock, recover. Next section, rock, recover together, rock, recover, back, shake, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, bump, 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 bump. Then we get 2 steps forward with the point, first with right, point left, left, point right. 7, 8, forward, point left, forward, point left, right. Then we get the A turn of your right shoulder, cross, cross, half turn, cross, cross. Then we get the shaky with your chest pumps, like bumpy, 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 touch, side, touch, quarter, touch. Okay, next section, we get out, out, in, out, out, in with looky, 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 yeah? Out, out, in, out, and in. Yes? Then you get the syncopated rocks, rock, recover, side, rock, recover, then we walking, walk, walk, and a shuffle, turn. And we're starting over again. Now we're going to do 2 walls with the counts. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Mumble. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Shake. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, walk. 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we're starting over again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, shake, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section. 1, 2 and 3, 4, walk. 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we're starting over again. Wall 3 is 12 o'clock. Here, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, shake, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the restart, 1, 2. I hope you all like it. Have fun. Thanks for watching. We hope you like it.